What was the question? Sorry. Okay.
It's the best feeling, you know.
Meditation is something really beautiful. It keeps you calm the whole day. It's something everybody should do.
It's one of the best things available right now on the planet that you can do for yourself.
You know, some things are not about feeling, but it's about the results. When you're doing it, you might not feel that great about it. But after you're done with it, you feel so much more energy. Like, you just give half an hour to it and you work 10 times than what you would work otherwise.
It makes me live my life to the fullest. Every moment of it, really. Enjoying every moment of it.
You can just get so inspired just by meditating. I mean, you meditate and a thought comes about creativity, so meditation is it. I meditate, okay? It's like the new Apple gadget, I meditate.
Even today, it takes a little effort for me to start meditating. I think, oh, again, I have to sit with my eyes closed and then meditate, do om, things like that. But once you open your eyes, you think this is the best thing to do. And that's what inspires me to meditate again and again each day.
I can just come to myself and stay with myself. That's the best part of meditation.
I've not been really very spiritual.
Initially, I think he's some Dadi Wala Baba and I'd seen his posters somewhere.
The day I heard about this name called Shri Shri Ravi Shankar,
You know, generally when you meet somebody, you kind of fall in love with that person. But he's a person who will make you fall in love with your own self.
In fact, I think he's the man whom youngsters can listen to.
I need to experience what he's saying.
He's the most coolest guru that is present on the planet Earth.
He's serving and helping people in so many countries from across the globe.
Yet I've never seen him tired or stressed out. There's always a smile always on his face which is like undying.
You have so many questions in your mind, but when you look at him, you are all blank.
It's difficult not to know Shri Shri Ravi Shankar.
This feeling of happiness, awesomeness, it's very rare to find.
You are really missing something in your life.
It's a feeling beyond even eating the best chocolate cake you ever had. You have to come and experience it.
मुझे चाहिए ये सबको खुश रहना, क्यों नहीं रहना है क्या?
So you heard so many people talk about meditation, but I tell you this is one thing that you need to do for yourself. So we invite you on this journey to the most amazing place on the planet, which is inside of you. So learn how to meditate because Google doesn't have all the answers.